An operator was operating an excavator for excavation. Then he drove the excavator to another location of the slope to work. While the excavator was traveling down the slope, it overturned suddenly and the operator was thrown out of the operator's cabin. Then he was crushed by the overturned excavator. While the excavator was traversing down the slope face, the inclination caused the center of gravity of the excavator to move off its base and to overturn. Besides, the operator had not fastened his seatbelt, so he was thrown out of the operator's cabin and crushed to death by the overturned excavator. If an excavator has to travel on a slope face, it must be driven straight up and down the slope at slow speed rather than traversing the slope. To prevent overturning, an excavator must not be driven on slopes exceeding the maximum angle of inclination as recommended by the manufacturer. For the sake of safety, an operator must always fasten the seat belts. In case the excavator is overturned, he will not be thrown out of the operator's cabin and sustain serious injuries. Take adequate safety precautions and work safely.